So I'm going to show you how to make a line chart like this. This was a requirement from a colleague, and this is what I did for him. First, let me share with you where the data is coming from. So it's a website that measures exchange rates, and this is between the Ghana CD and the US dollar. So this is the data sets. So first, there are two ways that I'm going to show you. The first one is to by using the column, and the second one will be using measure. So this is what I did to create a column to get the maximum dates from this date. I prefer to use switch, but you can also use an if condition for this. So switch through date equals to the maximum of these dates. If this is equal to that, yes, else no. And that is what you see here. So you only get one data. So once you come here, we can create same as you see up using a line chart. Date. This is a measure. Sum the exchange rates. So some exchange rates comes in here, and this is like you see up here. X-axis, y-axis start from 0. So start from 0 and you get it. So to get this last point, we create another measure. And that measure we say calculate the sum of the currency where this is equal to yes. The column that you created is equal to yes. So once you bring this one also to this, that is what you see here. You don't need the legend of. Then let's bring in the label, show the label. So can data label on currency measure on currency max date on. So this one, we turn this one off, and you have this same. There's another way that you can do the same, achieve the same thing using measure. So I'm going to show you how I created the measure. So the first measure, like you use here, that is this measure, is still are going to keep that. So let's get our line charts on here. We bring our dates, then we bring our measure. Same line as we have there. Start from start our minimum from 0. Okay. So to create the second measure without using the column, I created this using variables. So let me show you the formula. First is to get the maximum date using the max function. Then the second variable, getting the max of all the dates. Here I'm using max because max x, if you use max, it throws an error. And let me show you. See, the max function only accepts a column reference as an argument. So you use max X, and you look at just the table, and this one shows no error. So use the max X or selected table dates, then create a third variable to get the sum of the currency. Then we want to return switch true. This variable equals to this variable, return this variable. If you place this, the reason why we are using that variable in here is this. Let me show you. If you do this, see what error you get. So we could do this also, but I just prefer it like I had it previously to make it cleaner. So I'll bring in this and then here is cleaner. So in this case, we bring the variable value on here and you get the same. Let's go and do the formatting to bring in the labels. And you get the same results. So I've shown you two ways to do this. My colleague was happy with the results. And I hope this also helps you. Thank you for watching.